Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the SPIGEN glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I bought this on eBay.com for around, I believe, $30 to $35. I'm not really sure, but I bought this like a week ago. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So this is called the Glaster is Fit from SPIGEN. So before we open the box, let's just take a look around. So we have the tray with the glass screen protector, which will be fitting on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And on the back, it just tells you that it is easy installation, oleophobic coating, real glass, and hard surface glass. So let's just quickly open this. Oh, before we open it, there's some tape. Alright. So inside we have our two pre-applied screen protectors. We have instructions, which is very easy. A squeegee. Advertisement card, and inside this little pouch we get lens and screen cleaning wipe, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, which you get two, and a QR code on how to remove bubbles. Alright, so we're only going to need one for this installation process, but yeah, this is so easy. This is one of the reasons why I bought this, is so I don't have to do it by hand or by eye. I can just basically put this on top and it will fit in just like so. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make sure that we have it facing down correctly. So as you can see, this is the top, so it's going to be facing down like that when we install the screen protector on. Now, before we install the screen protector on, we're going to make sure that we wipe everything off. We're going to rip open our screen cleaning wipe. And we're just going to do this carefully. So I'm going to make sure there's no dust or anything. Right. So I just opened this phone a couple, I think over half an hour ago. So it should look nice and clean, but we will still be we'll still make sure that there is nothing. So what I'm going to do is just get my sticker and remove any dust. Yeah, this room is a bit dusty, so I'm going to make sure that I'm going to try and make sure there's not a single dust. Alright, okay, I think that should be good enough. Now, I'm going to quickly peel the back. So what you're going to do is peel the back. I'm going to have it just facing down, and all you have to do is line the screen protector with the phone. And once you do that, make sure it locks into place, and then this is press and slide and wait for 30 seconds, and that's basically it. Just gonna make sure that it is nice and secure, and that's it. We're gonna wait for 30 seconds while I clean a bit up. Alright, I'm not going to wait any longer, so we're going to remove from here. So we're going to pull this sticker up. Alright, so there's still quite a lot of bubbles. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our squeegee and get rid of all these bubbles. Oh, there's a big bubble. There we go. Just making sure there's no bubbles. I think there's one actual. Sometimes you gotta use your thumb, but I'm just gonna pull it back. Make sure that's no bubbles. And if it all works out, alright, I think we got it. So as you can see, our screen protector is installed. Looks almost perfect. I think over time, as I'm using it, the bubble or that little bubble will disappear. But yeah, it is looking, it just looks good. No extra work required. Basically, all you had to do was just stick this on. Use this tool, stick it down on the iPhone, press it, boom, you're done. Very easy installation, very easy to, you know, no extra tools required. All the tools are basically included with the kit. So yeah, it looks fantastic. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Little quick unboxing and installation of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector from SPIGEN. Thank you for watching.